This is our second time taking the canal section. The first time we took the canal section, it happened to be low tide this time. We added $200 on site to upgrade to the full route. The whole journey took about 1 hour and passed various bridge piers. It is recommended to take the 6 p.m. flight to see the sunset and the city lights. I would like to take it again next time. After the boat ride, you can go to the vegetarian restaurant next to it, Baibao Pavilion. Hungry face emoji, thumbs up emoji. This time, due to the renovation of the bridge in the front section of the canal, part of the itinerary was replaced by a visit to Anping Port. I deeply felt that the CP value was very high. Under the golden sunset in the evening, the entire Anping Port and Anping Canal are smooth and beautiful. On the return journey, thousands of lights are on, the night view is twinkling, and the tour guide explains it in detail. I fully recommend this itinerary. Boats to watch the fireworks in Dada Achang in Taipei cost $500, boats to the Penghu Fireworks Festival are $350, and boats to the Tainan Lantern Festival are $300. The value is very high, but it should only be this year that there are boats to watch the fireworks. If you don't want to watch the fireworks, don't go there at night, you won't see anything at night. The 5 o'clock flight encountered good weather and the sunset was very beautiful. There were egrets and night herons flying along the way. It was fun and cute to take a boat to watch the birds flying overhead. The tour guide explained very clearly and it is worth taking a ride. Great. It is recommended that you come in the evening so you can see the sunset. The tour guide's introduction is very good and friendly, and will not make people feel stressed. The sea breeze is very comfortable. Great boating experience. The tour guide's humorous and vivid explanations are impressive. I also learned more about the history of Anping Port and surrounding hardware and software, and my knowledge instantly increased a lot. Highly recommended, thumbs up emoji, it's so comfortable. Such beautiful scenery is so relaxing. I really like the feeling of the gentle breeze blowing in. It's simply indescribably beautiful. Thank you Klook for the sweet price. It was so comfortable. The breeze kept blowing, and the scenery was very beautiful. Although the commentator didn't explain it very well, it didn't hurt. I couldn't ask for such a beautiful scenery and it also has a preferential price. Thank you very much. It's been my second visit, and I still feel it's beautiful to enjoy the golden watershed of the Anping Canal by boat again. It's worth the price. I suggest you take a flight closer to the evening so you can take pictures of the sunset and the night scenery. It is highly recommended to take it especially on national holidays. There are limited Starlight flights available. There is an additional fee of $200/person on site. There are musician performances and guided tours in the open air to enjoy the beautiful scenery. Thumbs up emoji. It is recommended to call in advance to make a reservation. With such beautiful scenery and the explanation of the guide teacher, why don't you come and take a ride? The phoenix flowers on both sides of the river and the beautiful sunset are really not inferior to the beautiful scenery abroad. It's really worth it. It is convenient to buy tickets on the platform. The scenery on both sides of the canal is rich and interesting. There are many bridges along the way. There are 3 or 4 bridges that require you to lower your head to pass, or even sit on the boat board to pass safely. It is very exciting. The cruise experience was great. We'll experience it again if I have the chance. After getting on the boat, there will be someone on the boat who will introduce the history of the development of the canal. Seagulls will also come to join in the fun. The introduction is humorous. It is a lot more fun on the boat. It is a great experience. After getting off the boat, immediately go to see the One Piece station. The boat is very clean and equipped with life jackets. The tour guide is very responsible in introducing the tour. It is nice to take a boat to relax and look at the sea after being tired of visiting Anping Old Street. The weather was good and suitable for riding. The wind was cool at night. The tour guide was explaining very seriously, and it was worth experiencing to appreciate the beauty of Anping Port from different angles.